spectators. But Senegal unbeaten so far with a win and a draw. But a sterling ride for the giant of African football, world football if you like, because great character. The Kosovo Cup in 2021 is a 2-1 win. There's a good ball over the top, and well, there's flags gone up over on that left side. Playing for the Blades of Sheffield United. Good opportunity here. Well, that's really good defensive play there, just to get himself in the way, making life very complicated, which is what you've got to do. You've got to make sure that you clear the ball as well. It's the team that he now plays his football at. Ball just going out of play. It will be Malawi will pick up possession. Dali unable to really get rid of the ball. Sadio Mané bides his time. There's the delivery at far post. There's a good header. Hanging in the air, just waiting to latch onto that. You can see that, well, he is dangerous, Ismail Assar, we know that. Spent a bit of time on the bench at Crystal Palace. Back in possession, good ball to Mané. Mané waiting for support. He can change his direction. He does, and he gets the ball back. There it is. Anybody going to pick it up? Well, far too much traffic there, but there's a good chance with the ball into the penalty area. And where he's played, you get a good idea of just what he's all about. It's not easy to just switch from the Serie A to the Premier League. Well, he did that. High ball dealt with by Camara. Again, that's a great ball. Now, Sadio Mané. Sadio Mané gets knocked down, and that will be a free kick. Mané went across to the right side, and it's a red card. He was the last player, and Brighton Mountains. Mané knew exactly what he was doing. And there it is, bringing down Mané. That's Mané, good through ball. He's raced onto that. The ball comes. The Middlesbrough man. Ball in Zurich. High ball over the top, over the head of Mané. Appreciation because of the Mané's control. Not to the best. Pulled back, here's Pape Gueye. Pape Gueye lofts one over into the penalty box. And a defensive header there by Sanudi. Get down the road. Ball comes back, nice little touch. Back into the path. There is his talk going into this. He's saying we're going to be physical. We're our Jackson again. Sees his man. The flag's gone up. You've got to really be careful. Not just okay. This is when I've got to lift my game and show. Senegalese FA looking for a local coach. It's Formose there. Pape Gueye lofts it into over the far post. Flag stays down. There's the shot from Mendai, and it will be another corner. Look at that Pape Gueye with that left foot, that sweet left foot. It's pulled down by the give and go. Doesn't ask for it back immediately, but puts himself back into that centre forward position. His Sarr tries to hit it high over there. There's a header. His Mané with the overhead. The acrobatics. You saw him tee it up. It took the bounce afterwards. He just pretty much at every club that he's quick, slick passing picked up by Mané. Mané down the right side. Here's Ismail Assar. Mané gets the Senegal and 109 matches played. There's the high ball over the top, snatched out inside. One 0 here. Another stand-up delay, Wade. But they've only scored one per game. So they've got to get 6 goals tonight if they want to move into that top position ahead of Burkina Faso. They do have an extra player on the pitch following the red card of their goalkeeper, Muntali. Is Sané. All happened so quick. Diarra tries to cut inside, doesn't perfectly control the ball. It's lofted over the top. Nicely done, Mané. Oh, great. Call him what you like. He's a forward and he's a very prolific goal scorer as well. There's Mané getting the ball across, and there's a good chance. It's been kicked and help him out. Jacob, nicely done into the penalty box. Here's Mané. Handball is the occasion. Well. Jackson is so dangerous. It's still with him. Mané gets the ball over. It's headed away there by who finally picks it up into the penalty box. Who's going to get on the end of it? For offside. And you can see that Eastern France. It's 1-0 still for Senegal. Can they bet? There's Ghana over to the left-hand side. There's the opportunity. Well, Solon, Ismail Assar, great opportunity. Here he is with a shot. Oh, look at that for a goal. And it had to come from that man, Mané. He is just a genius. He can score goals with his eyes closed. He can produce blistering shots from nothing. Setting into the back of the net. What a fine strike that was. That's his second of this campaign. Having scored, well, as I said, his scoring record for Lazio, the Roma-based club, is pretty good. And the 1-0 win against Burundi from that penalty. And then all of a sudden he was loaned out to Lazio, and he's doing pretty much the same there. So he needs to get himself loaned out every season, and he'll score a goal every second game. That's good work there. But sorry, 3 more games to play after this one. They go again. Is Senegal. There's Mané, far post. Well, it's been possessed. Mané's there. Mané picks it up. He's going to go again, and he's going to be selfish. Oh, that's not a bad attempt to get the ball over to the far post. He's trying to get the goal or go for his teammate, but it was lofted over a chip to the far post. Will have put in position as the Cologne-born left back Jacobs quickly. Ghana's the player who goes down. It's good work from Dia. How wide Jacobs. Didn't find a teammate. It's high over the top. Good control. It's been left. Nicely done. Oh, that is so close. Mané's absolutely mad. That was beautiful football. And the way that they just understood each other. Mané, he can ghost past players. Lots of time and space. Can he get a decent cross in? There it is, far post. Well, it's been latched onto Diallo. Oh, there's the connection. Mané looking to try and score his second goal. Up. There's the touch. This time the right foot strikes against his own teammate. Been unlucky not to score 2. Goalkeeper in the 16th minute. The final score, Senegal 4 games, and try not to get burnt. And this is where they are at the moment. Sadio Mané